and welcome to the CM WordPress File and Download Manager. The plugin lets users upload, download, and share text files. In this video, we will be covering the tools and features included in the plugin, as well as demonstrating key features that you need to know about. Beginning with the Settings tab, you will discover functionalities and abilities such as navigations and permalinks, appearance settings, login widget, SEO controls, and other helpful tools. Found above the Settings tab, you can preview the changes you make by clicking the given links. If you click the first link, you will be directed to the index front-end page. On this page, you will find a list of files that have been uploaded, all categorized with a title, the author, and the day it was uploaded, as well as give places for a description of the file. Controlling the way your index page looks and operates is simple. If you want to turn off your index page, click Yes to disable, and then scroll down and hit Save Settings to apply those changes. Download pages are unique to each upload form and are completely customizable. With a search bar to locate specific downloads, the Manager plugin makes quick use of its file system and provides you with relevant results. In the settings for the download page, the plugin offers 11 drop-down menus. These menus allow the user to control the appearance, previews, custom fields, and add a sidebar. A cool feature built into the plugin is a support forum. The function allows for communication between the author and user in case the user needs support or wants to leave a comment. To access the Uploads page, go to your download dashboard and click Add New with the plus folder next to it. On the Uploads page, users are given text fields to enter their title and description. Below these fields are options to protect the file with a password, add a thumbnail, and attach tags. The Upload Settings page is also given an Appearance tab with a choice to change the theme. Just below is Features. This is an important tab because it controls which file extensions are allowed, if downloads can be password protected, and other specifications that control operations. Below that are settings for categories, limits, and field arrangements that I recommend checking out. A tab over is the Access and Moderation settings. Under the Access menu, moderators can determine which users have permission to add new downloads, view downloads, preview downloads, and who can download. Here we have an example of a multiple downloads page. In this example, there are audio files which are previewable via the media bars. Below that, you can find the files available for download. To enable or disable this feature, head back to your settings and use the integrated search bar. You can let users log in with Facebook or other social media networks. These settings can be found in the Social Login tab, along with helpful documentation links. User groups give you control and overview of those using the upload feature on your website. Now, take a look at categories. It is beneficial to the flow of your website when you have categories set up. Setting up a category is simple. Add a name, choose if it is linked to another category, add a description, password protect it, and select an icon for it. On the right, there will be a display list of all moderator-created categories. To manage the names and labels given, click Label Settings. From here, you can assign and change the labels provided. With hundreds of options built into this plugin, CreativeMinds has put together a 4-page information list that breaks down all 9 tabs on the Settings page, as well as the rest of the embedded features. Included in this list are videos, similar to this one, pictures, and resources. To access this, enter creativeminds.helpscoutdocs.com and search for Download Manager. For information regarding this plugin, please visit the link in the description.